Welcome back to our channel. Here we are again. My name is Jessie.
Ang pangalan ko ay Randy.
And
Today we will do
The MUKBANG challenge?
Yeah.
Right? MUKBANG challenge. Filipino foods.
and these are the snacks. That's it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we do have piatas, we have vitas, we have obishi, we have curry, we have clover, we have sweet corn, we have chippy, we have this potato rice, and my favorite, that's nako. When I was a kid.
Well, I'm excited for those and between courses.
We have sharpie.
Alright, you ready?
While we're eating these snacks, we will drink this sharpie. So the power of sugar.
An extremely healthy night for us. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go.
Oh, okay. Alright, so we will start with Snacko. Okay. So in this game, you will tell to me what is the taste of the food or the snack. And then at the end of the game, or the challenge, you will tell to me or to them your top 3 favorite Filipino snacks.
So you're not going to tell me what this is.
Well, you will see
Okay.
the name. You know, Snacko, rice, crackers, vegetables.
Okay, here we go. And then my top 3.
Yeah?
Okay.
And then you'll tell me your top 3. Okay. So first, we will do the Snacko. This is actually my favorite snacks when I was a kid. Yeah, we do have like a little version of this in Philippines. It's only 1 peso back then, but I don't know now. Okay, let's try this Snacko. Okay, you will open it.
Here we go. They're really hard to open. They're really hard to open.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, you go.
Hold on. I guess we have to properly brand. Huh? Okay, ready?
Ready, you first.
Okay. Ooh, you and two at a time. Okay, here's what they look like. And they're veggie crisp, right? Those are good.
Yeah, okay.
Those are super good.
So
Okay.
we do this many times. You know me.
The bag's done. The texture is really good. They're crispy, but they're also kind of light. And they taste a little something like... They taste like there's a little teeny bit of seaweed in there. I don't think there is, but they taste like that.
Alright.
Yeah, those are good. So far, top one. I better not take any more of these because I think this is my
Yeah. So that's it. This is the Snacko.
Okay, you've all been fairly warmed up. I lick my fingers after snacks, it's the way it is. Okay.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Our next snacks is okay, potato fries from Oishi. Okay.
Put your little palate cleanser here. I think you're first on this one.
So crunchy. I like the hardest part of the fries. What do you think?
The texture's really good. They're harder than what was the last one? Snacko? They're crunchier than that. I'm trying to figure out what the flavor is.
It's baked, actually not fried.
Ah, tomato ketchup flavor.
Tomato ketchup. Ketchup.
So,
Yeah, so it says Oishi potato fries, baked not fried, a ready-to-eat potato fries snack.
you know, I've never had tomato ketchup flavored anything other than tomato ketchup.
So what do you think?
I like that. It's hard to figure out what it is if you don't know. But once you know, it's really good. Just a little bit sweet and tangy. Not very salty on these ones. I like those. The other ones are still better. Well, I think they're
Our next is sweet corn, golden sweet corn from Regent.
You open that? I wish American snacks were this hard to open.
So safe.
Ooh.
I'm the first one who
Yeah, let's see here.
corn.
These are a little bit like having thick cereal without the milk.
This is actually perfect snack for for movie night. This is actually better than popcorn.
So we've been together almost 3 years, and I still don't know if you like popcorn. We're not.
I'm not a huge fan of popcorn. I eat popcorn, but not much.
Yeah.
No.
I think we've seen like 3 movies together in the entire time we've been together. And I think popcorn may have been involved in like.
I'm not a snack person. You know that.
Mm-hmm.
But I think this is the reason why I do this, because I miss Philippine foods. I really have I'm craving Filipino snacks foods.
It was super cute when we went to the store. Because he's usually so controlled in the store, but Okay, so we walked into the Pinoy store and it was like, I'll take this. Actually, these are good. It has, like, most of them don't have a whole lot of flavor, but every once in a while you get one that really, like, has a bunch.
Okay. What's next?
I'm trying to work out my 3 favorites. Our next is...
So we have clover chips from Leslie's. Okay, this is chili and cheese corn snack. So this is also a corn flavored. Let's see how cheesy is this. Okay, so it says chili, so there's a little kick. Oh my gosh. Randy may like this, okay?
And Jesse may not. I'm a huge fan of chili cheese corn chips. So let's see. Ooh, okay, I think you go first.
Okay. Oh. Wow, that's a lot.
I like the texture, but I think I don't really like much else about it. I think these are my lowest scoring ones. Then when they're not bad, I'll take another handful. But they just need more flavor. How about you?
Oh my gosh, I just miss Filipino snacks. So yeah, I'm excited to do this. It's been a while when I ate this. Like maybe 15 to 10 years. Because this is actually not my favorite Filipino snack foods. But it's okay. Yeah. This is better than Lay's.
Serious?
Yeah.
Okay.
If they do have like a Filipino store there, and they do have this, I'm sure I'm always buying this.
Those ones were just okay.
Now I'm full. Okay.
The next snack we'll be trying is chippy
From Jack and Jill.
more chili cheese. So let's see how this stacks up.
Okay. Okay.
They have more color.
Ooh, that's super spicy.
Is this one?
No problem.
Yeah. What do you think?
I'm not a huge fan of chippy. This tastes like Doritos for me. But I could say this is better than Doritos.
I'm gonna say I'm not a big fan of the corn chips. I mean, they're snacks, they're good, but I guess I don't know if the camera will pick this up, but there's not a whole lot on that you can, how would you say it? I like things kind of covered in cheese powder and chili powder and stuff like that, and these are more like flavor incorporated into the chip, which is okay, but just okay.
I like the cheesy part. It says on the advertisement to say it's chili, but I don't taste too much chili on it, so it's kind of like medium.
Yeah. Still a snack. I mean, I would still eat the whole thing. Oh, you've got more spicy over there.
Okay, our next snack is actually the Filipino favorite snack. And when it comes in inuman, with party in the Philippines, with alcohol, let's show this. So we have Owishi, the prawn cracker. Spicy flavor. Actually, this one is super spicy for me. But I like this, okay? So, let's open it. Okay.
But spoiler alert, we already tried these last time. There's a lot of flavor to those. I like the texture. I like how much flavor there is. I can't get a chip. I need to do my finger now.
There's something in my... This is actually my second favorite so far.
So I think this is third.
Third for
Yeah.
So, this is popular in Japan too, but this brand or this snack is made in city of Imus, province of Cavite, Philippines. So this is really a product of the Philippines, and one thing that I will say with this snack is wow, this is amazing. I love the mixed combination of spicy and salty of this cracker.
I like everything about this except that little bit of fishy flavor to it. The prawn. It doesn't taste a lot like fish, but just a little teeny bit. Third from the top.
Our next is
What are they?
this is 3. This is super popular when I was a kid. This is like a light flavor type of flake. So yeah. Also a Obishi brand curate yummy flake shrimp
I'm feeling shrimp
flavor.
flavored, so I'm approaching this with an open mind.
Randy doesn't like what do you call this? Fishy flavor, but he wants to live in Washington where there's a lot of fish. Well, that is one more thing that I've noticed in America. They don't usually eat fish. Something like salmon.
Yeah.
It's so hard
Really
to
hard to open.
I have an idea.
I don't think Oishi really wants you to snack. I think we're trying to get you to be like, can't open the package, can't snack. Oh.
If you do have if you do have an acid reflux or problem with throat or digestive system problem, just eat light foods like this curry. I like this. I support curry. Yeah, for me curry is good.
I'm really shocked.
I like the salt flavor and then the shrimp flavor. Okay.
You know what? I don't get shrimp flavor out of this at all. To me, it's a little bit like pork rinds. Like, kind of like pork rinds, not that flavorful.
Oh,
Not bad. But not shrimp.
for you. But it's shrimp.
Just a teeny bit.
Yeah, this is a little salty.
Yeah, I like these. These are like middle of the road for me. But the texture is really good.
So done. Done.
Oh yeah. I like those.
Okay.
Okay.
Our next is Bigat potato chips from Jack and Jill. Ready?
Ready.
We need pizza for this because they cover it really good there.
We've given up on opening packages.
Okay. Ooh.
Let's see. Those are my top three.
The textures is the shape.
Those are good. Onion and garlic.
What can you think?
I like the texture. Okay. You know what? Those are my favorite so far.
That's number one.
Yep, that's number one. It's got a flavor explosion. It's sort of like,
Onion.
yeah, like sour cream, onion, garlic. Gotcha. Yep. That's number one.
And the last is we have piatas from Jack and Jill again. So, try this. Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready. Ooh, interesting.
So hard. Let me make
Okay.
it.
The crunchier the better. These will be
Both of
my
them
top
done.
three. Are they baked?
What?
I think they're baked.
Flavored potato chips, nacho, pizza.
Texture-wise, they're my favorite. Flavor-wise, they do taste like pizza. Which is a plus and a minus. But they're gonna be in my top three.
Top three.
Yeah. That texture's awesome. Looks like they're hard to grab. Oops, I took like half the bag.
This is really Americanized food, because of pizza.
Yeah, pretty good on that one.
Alright,
Okay.
so the judgment is here. Okay guys, so I will show to you my top 3 Philippine snacks. Okay, I will start with top 3 and then top 2 and then the first place, okay? So my top 3 is the sweet corn, golden sweet corn by Regent. And then my top 2 is potato fries from Oishi. And my first place is always Nako. Why is Nako? I just love the texture of this snack. It's so soft, perfect for me because I do have a very sensitive teeth. I love the saltiness of this snack. It's just perfect for my taste, you know, the salt. And then the different flavor, the vegetable flavor of it. It's just, I feel like this is healthy type of snack made from Philippines. So I love it. My top one is always my top one. That is Snaku from Regent.
So is that in order? Number 3, number 2, number 1.
Yep. Okay, it's your turn.
Okay. I don't know if my final choices here will match up with what I said during the video. In no particular order, these are my top 3. In order, I'm going to say this is the second runner-up.
Oh, the second one.
Yeah.
Miss Universe.
First runner-up, and there's Miss Universe.
Aww. Awesome.
These are amazing because they have tons and tons of flavor. Somebody else say Genie.
It's not still snacking for me. Yeah, and I like them.
Does this mean that we get to keep our favorite? We go on with the favorites?
Yeah, but you have to pay.
$2. $2. So, yep, these are the best. Great texture, lots and lots of flavor.
Thank you. Thank you for joining to our MUKBANG Filipino Snack Challenge. And guys, thank you for watching to our vlog. I hope you like it. I hope you like the video. Of course, don't forget to follow to our YouTube channel, Jessie Soy Miled. And
Salamat po at paalam.
thank you.